Hello students. So in this lecture we will discuss about the projection of the line inclined to horizontal plane and parallel to vertical plane. First I will again draw the pictorial view of this. So this is the vertical plane, okay, and this is the horizontal plane, okay. Now you can see this is vertical plane and this is horizontal plane, and the line is inclined to HP at some angle. So this is horizontal plane, so line will be inclined to this at some angle, say it is at some angle theta here, theta with this horizontal plane, but this is parallel to VP, okay. Now you can see when we project, say this is line AB, okay. Now you have to project it in the front view here, okay. You get to see this true length here. We will see the true length and true angle of inclination theta in this front view, okay. Whenever you are projecting it here, you will see the true length and true angle of inclination here on VP. So this is your front view. You get to see this theta as well as its true length, okay. So it will be A dash, B dash, but when you project it just below this HP, just on HP, you see it will not be showing you the true length. You will get some foreshortening of the length. So you get some foreshortening of the length, but it is parallel to VP. So this length is parallel to VP. You get to see AB. So this is the top view, okay. So in the top view it will be a simple straight line parallel to XY, whereas in the front view it will be inclined line, true length and with actual angle of inclination theta. Now again I have to rotate horizontal plane HP clockwise 90 degrees, okay. What will happen? It will be again like this. So you have to rotate HP clockwise 90 degrees so that XY is there and VP and HP becomes coplanar, separated by XY. Now in the front view you will see a line like this, whatever inclination is with HP. So it is theta, say, yeah, and then this is front view. Whatever length is given, I will give you the statement then, and then in the top view it will be a straight line, but it will be foreshortened. It will be foreshortened. So this is the top view. Because it is parallel to VP, so the line will be here parallel to XY line. So this is the top view AB, and it is the front view A dash B dash. Now how to draw this on your sheet? These distances again, first I will write down the statement, then I will draw it, okay. So a line, say AB, 50 mm long, is inclined to horizontal plane and parallel to vertical plane, such that one of its end A is 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP, in front of VP. Draw its projections, draw its projections, okay. First I will draw the projections, means front view and top view. Now how you will be drawing this on your sheet, okay. I will just draw it again as per the rule. I have to draw the XY line first, okay. I will draw first the XY line. Always draw XY line again. First you have to draw the XY line, suitable length. Okay, so this is XY. Now you have to mark A first, point A, and A is 15 mm above HP, 20 mm in front of VP. So above HP distance will be in the front view and in front distance will be in the top view. So 15 mm above HP, 15 mm above XY I will take. So this is 15 mm. You mark it A dash. Then this will be A, 20 mm below the XY. So this distance is 20 mm below XY, 15 mm above XY. So you get A and A dash. Now angle is, it is inclined to HP. The angle given is, say, at angle 30 degree, at 30 degree. Again, then I will have to draw the angle here 30 degree. So first I will check the angle. Here I will check the angle 30 degree. Yes, this line is 90. Now I will check the angle 30 degrees. Okay, so you can mark the angle 30 degrees. Okay, this is the 30 degree line. Just check. So this is 30 degree. I am checking it from here. This is the protector given here. You can use your protector as well. Okay, so I am taking it say 30 degree and draw the line at 50 mm length along that 30 degree line. So this is now I will check, it is 50 mm. So it is 50 mm here. So this is at an angle 30 degree. You can use protector as well, but I am using this scale. So it is 30 degree here. So it is given on the this scale. All the degrees are there, you can check. Now, but if you don't have this scale, you can use the protector. Then you have to draw the vertical projector through this. So this is B dash. This is B dash. Now from this A in the top view, you need to draw the horizontal line parallel to XY. Parallel to XY. So this is B. Now you can see the difference. This is front view, A dash, B dash. This angle is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Okay, so you can also mention this. You have, because you have to show the dimensions as well. So this is 30 degrees. This this distance here this is given 15. This is 20. So this distance is given. (15) and 20. 15 above HP, 20 in front VP. So I am just mentioning that as per the aligned system. 20 here. So this is 15 mm above HP, 20 mm in front of VP, and this length is also given. True length is also given. So you can also mention this. This length is 50. So this is true length. Okay, so you get to see the true length in the front view. Okay, now I will just write the true length here. It is 50. So this is 50 mm true length. Now one more thing I would like to add is the trace of the line. What is a trace? Trace means this line is inclined to HP at some angle and it is parallel to VP. So it will not meet at VP at least it is not meeting VP, but it will when it is extended, this line is extended, it will meet HP at some point. So you can see here, if it is extended such that it will meet HP at some point, and the point where it will meet, that is known as trace of the line. So it will be horizontal trace because it is meeting with horizontal plane. Now how to show this trace on the drawing? Now I will show you. Now you can extend this. This is similar to, now you want to extend this front view here. Okay, if you extend this front view, wherever it cuts this XY line, from there you can draw the vertical edge. Okay, and you can extend the top view again, and where is it is the intersection point, this is known as horizontal trace, HT. Okay, and its front view here, because you are seeing from this side, so its front view will be projected over XY line because it is on HP, so its front view will be on XY. So this is denoted as S dash, and this is X, and this is Y. Okay, so this is how you have to project the horizontal trace. I hope you understood. Thank you.